the names of the different parts of a plant. Let's revise the parts once again. Please repeat after me. Flower, leaf, fruit, bud, stem and roots. It's flower, F-L, flower for flower, L for leaf, fr, F-R, fr for fruit, B for bud, S for stem, R for roots. Now children, as all of you have learned the names of the different parts of a plant, we will do a worksheet today on the same. In this worksheet, you can see a plant with the different parts. So you will have to see the picture of each part and write the first letter of that part of the plant besides it. Children, I will repeat once again, so listen carefully. You can see a plant with the different parts. You will have to see the picture of each part and write the first letter of that part of the plant besides it. Okay, children? Now, let us do another worksheet. In this worksheet, under column A are the pictures of parts of a plant. And under column B are the names of parts of a plant. Now, as we have already learned the first letter of the name of each part, we have to draw a line from the picture to the name of the part. I will repeat once again. Draw a line from the picture to the name of the part. So these are your two worksheets for today, and I would like you all to complete both these worksheets, and tomorrow we will go through them and check your answers. Now children, let's have some fun. Get a piece of paper and pencil and let us draw a plant. Are you all ready? First draw a sleeping line. In the middle of the line, we shall put a dot. And from this dot, we shall draw the roots downwards. Then above the line, we will draw a standing line, which need not be straight, which is the stem. From the stem, we will draw 4 branches, 2 to the right and 2 to the left. One branch here and a short branch here. A short branch here and a long branch here. Now we will draw some leaves on the branches. Some more leaves. At the end of the branch, we will draw a bud. Make a U and another U. So here is your bud. On the top end of the standing line, we will draw a flower. Make a circle and many more circles around it. here is your flower. And at the end of the branch, we will draw a fruit. So we shall draw a fruit here. We shall draw a cherry. Inside this fruit is the seed, which we cannot see. Now we will draw arrows near each part, and you will have to later write the first letter of that particular part. So one arrow here, one arrow for the leaf, an arrow for the cherry, an arrow for the stem, an arrow for the bud, and one arrow for the root. Then you can complete it by coloring it. So children, I hope you had fun learning. Bye, take care and see you tomorrow.